This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about meat tenderizers, specifically these Metlux meat tenderizers. The first meat tenderizer features a 2.5 by 2.25 inch head and has both a smooth and textured side. It also has a nice, long, sturdy handle with a nice, comfortable grip there on the end. The professional meat tenderizer features a 1.5 inch diameter round head on each side, and you have both a small and large texture side, giving you two sizes there. It features a nice solid handle, and it's got a nice weight to it as well. It's got these nice grips on either side to give you a good secure hold on that handle while you're working. These tenderizers are a great way to let you flatten out cutlets, especially if you're using the smooth side to help things cook evenly. And then the textured side really helps to tenderize those fibers and make those little cutlets nice and juicy and delicious to eat. They're made from a sturdy aluminum with a silver finish. It's corrosion resistant to really maintain its look, even with repeated use. It is recommended that you hand wash these items only with alkaline-free detergent. These are a perfect tool for any cook, whether they're amateur or pro.